Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. There's been a few more murals put up in Brixham over the last few days, so I thought I'd quickly go around and show you. This is the second video I've made on this, so I'll leave a link to the first one at the end, and I'll also leave a link to the artist if I can below in the comments. But let's go and see what we can find. Well, that's enough street art for today. It's starting to get busy now. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It'll cost you nothing, and you'll get a notification next time I post a video. Give me a like. But it looks like another glorious day in Brixham. So for now, cheerio.